customer called yesterday and said that they were having water troubles. Okay, yeah, power's off.
Going over to this hydrant over here.
That's so crazy. It freezes because the damn well cover's got holes in it everywhere.
Yeah.
You can see light through it. So if you see light through it, it ain't going to be any sort of insulating factor. Ooh, look at that. Look at that color. Yeah, the picture they had sent me, this fitting head broke off and blew down the well. And it looks like they might have fixed that on their own. Alright, so we're going to test the tank. Let's go ahead and turn the air on. Nothing. No air in the tank. Let's try airing it up with the generator and the air compressor and see if it'll hold. Now that I'm adding air to the top of the tank to air it up, you can hear air's coming out of this portion here. So that means we have a bad bladder. There is a hole in the bladder big enough to allow the air to go straight through into the plumbing system. The air and the water are supposed to be separated by the rubber diaphragm in the tank. In this case, we know we have a bad tank, so we must fix that, and we must fix the leak. Now, because we're dealing with 15 to 20 degree temperatures, it's very hard for the PVC glue to actually melt. So what we do is heat it up a little bit with this. That takes that 20 degree pipe, warms it up to maybe 50 degrees, and it helps the glue joint. All right, let's turn it on and get some water. We'll blow out any pipe dope. That should help thaw the ground out right there. Got the new valve all in, no more gate valve, now it's a quarter turn valve. Got it all dug up and all on, so let's go ahead, kick it on. Good deal. Pressure in the system. Okay, want to make sure our pipes will hold. Let's go ahead and energize this. Looking good. Looking good. Time to clean up. Now, because we're dealing with a record cold, and this rock is not good to cover it with because it's got holes in it. They even have heat tape on it. That's just not cutting it in 10 degree weather. So what we're going to do, we're going to cover the system with a blanket. You can use old towels or anything. Anything to cover it to keep the wind off of it is all you need to keep it insulated. And then we can put the cover over top of it now, and that should be a lot better than it was before. If you enjoyed this video, in here and out of here, 45 minutes.